In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for a free 30-day trial of SCUTA in less than 30 seconds. Just go to myscuta.com, click on the green Try for Free button, and enter your information. Enter your school zip code. Select your school, click on the agree, and press register. And you're done. Here's your welcome notification, welcoming you to SCUTA, telling you what your username is. Your password has been emailed to you. Please note that if you do not receive your email instantly, you should look in your spam folder. To log in now, simply click on Login. We automatically enter your username here. Now go to your email. Okay, and look at the email. This process is automated, so you should instantly get an email from us, and it will be a welcome to SCUTA email. So double click on it, open it up, and in here you'll see that it has your username, which you've already populated, and your password. Double click on the password, hit copy, and now Control V or type it in and click login, and you're in. Welcome to SCUTA.